Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the best resolution photo so details stay sharp. Once chosen, make sure Gemini has Photos access. That preserves originals while you edit. Tap Auto Enhance to get a balanced baseline, then reduce or add exposure by about 0. 5 stops to correct brightness. Next, increase warmth by around 10% if skin looks cool. This subtle change warms tones without overdoing makeup effects. These first moves set a neutral, editable canvas and save time when you move to targeted retouching. Now focus on targeted edits to enhance features without losing realism. Use Gemini's selective brush on the face to remove blemishes while preserving natural skin texture. The why is simple: oversmoothing ages photos. Once done, switch to HSL to nudge skin hues and raise saturation by about 5 to 10 points for a healthy look. Make eyes pop by increasing sharpness around 15% and counteract any ISO noise with background noise reduction near 20%. These steps balance. To finish, make small global tweaks so the image reads well across devices. Increase contrast by 3 to 7 points to add punch, then do a final check at device size. That ensures highlights and shadows hold. Export as high-quality JPEG for sharing, or save a PNG if you want an uncompressed backup. If colors look off after export, reset white balance and reapply your HSL micro adjustments. This troubleshooting tip fixes common shifts caused by format conversion or display variants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.